The error code, EP, on an air conditioner indicates a fault in the temperature switch located at the top of the compressor. It's important to remember that the highest temperature in the refrigeration cycle occurs at the compressor discharge, right after the refrigerant gas is compressed. For this reason, the switch is located at the top of the casing, very close to the refrigerant outlet. Excessively high temperatures in the compressor can decrease the viscosity of the oil, affecting proper lubrication and gradually damaging the mechanical components of the compressor. The EP error code can have several causes, and diagnosing and fixing it requires careful inspection. Below are some causes and solutions for this fault. 1. Loose connection. This is one of the most common causes of the EP error code. To fix this issue, check that the temperature switch wires are correctly inserted into the connector on the outdoor unit's power supply board. If the wires are loose, reinsert them properly. 2. Missing switch on the compressor. If the EP error appears after a repair, it could be that the switch was not installed. To fix this, create a short circuit bridge, but keep in mind that the unit will be without the high temperature protection system. 3. High temperature recorded by the switch. If the recorded temperature is excessively high and accompanied by a bad smell, consider the following options to resolve the problem. A. Check the U, V, and W wires of the compressor. Verify the position of the wires and compare it with the installation manual, or check the identification letters or colors. If the sequence is incorrect, reconnect the wires in the correct order. B. Check the system pressure. Use a pressure gauge to measure the system pressure, which in units with R32 or R410A refrigerant, and with the unit running, should be around 120 psi. Remember that lower than normal current consumption may indicate a lack of refrigerant. Add refrigerant to ensure the system pressure is correct. C. Review the outdoor ventilation. Ensure that there are no obstructions preventing proper heat dissipation from the air conditioner. Install the outdoor unit in the position indicated in the instruction manual, and check that the air intakes and outlets are free from blockages. 4. EP code without other apparent issues. If the EP code appears, but the compressor temperature is normal, and there are no faults in the wiring. A. Create a short circuit in the high temperature switch to bypass its operation. If the fault is resolved, replace the casing temperature switch. B. If the problem persists after replacing the switch, proceed to replace the outdoor unit's power supply board.